and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a orange smoky kind of look. I'm probably gonna do like a cut crease type of look, but we'll see. I did do my brows off camera and I used my NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso, and I did clean them up with concealer on the bottom, and then on the top I went in with my foundation. For this look, I think I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Sorry for my dogs, they probably see another dog and they're barking. And I also might go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, so we'll see, but for sure I'm gonna go in with this palette since it has like all the colors. I'm going for like a orangey smoky type of look. So if you guys would like to see how I'm gonna do this orange smoky eye, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Riff. It's just a really nice transition shade. So I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and this is the number 6 brush from the Rose Romance line by BH Cosmetics. So it looks like this. So I'm just gonna apply this into my crease. So now I'm going to go in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and this is the shade Mocha, and I'm taking the shade Mocha on my Morphe M506, and I'm going to apply this shade right under the Riff shade, so that transition shade, and just start to blend it out into my crease. Now going back in the Urban Decay palette and taking the shade Punk. It's a really dark chocolate brown. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M321. It's a really small bullet brush, and I love this for my outer V. And I'm going to apply this shade right onto my outer V. Now I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the black shade Abyss. And I'm taking my BH Cosmetics little small like pencil brush. This is the number 10 brush, and it looks like this. And this is from the Rose Romance line. I'm going to apply this really close to my lash line. And then slightly start to blend it up towards the outer V. But I'm making sure the shade Punk is still being shown. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C8, and it's like a light tan yellow shade. And of course, to cut my crease, I'm using my Morphe E19 brush. Just starting off, applying this in the beginning of my eye, the blank, and you see where the concealer transferred onto my crease. That's where I know where to stop. So I'm gonna stop like right where my arch begins. So about right here. Okay, so now that I have both my creases cut, I'm going to go back in the Urban Decay palette. And I'm going to take this shade Baja. Just a really nice like scarlet orange shade. And I'm taking this on my BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. It's a flat eyeshadow brush. I also did not set my lids. Just gonna go straight in with the shade. Then once I get towards the end, I am gonna pat it just lightly over the black shade just to start to blend it into that shade. Now I'm going back in the Jaclyn Hill palette and in the black shade with my pencil brush. And I'm going to start to blend the black and orange shade together. I'm going to take my NYX white liquid liner. And I'm going to draw a line right where I cut my crease. For my face, I'm going to go in with my Angel Veil Primer by NYX. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 312. Blend this all out. I'm using a foundation brush, and this is the number 2 brush from the Romance line from BH Cosmetics. For concealer, I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Golden. I'm just applying this under my eyes, forehead, the sides of my nose, sides of my mouth, and also my chin. And just for an added highlight, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C7 and apply just the tiniest amount right on top. And I'm going to be blending this all in with my Lily Lashes sponge. To set my face, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 20. Alright, so while I let this sit and bake on my skin, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera. Alright guys, I'm back. So now that I have the rest of my face done, I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes. So the first thing that I always do, I have to curl my lashes. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara, and this is the Total Temptation mascara. So I'm going to go back in the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking that lighter brown shade, Mocha. And I'm going to use my Morphe M506. I am connecting it to the outer V of my eye. So now I'm going in the Urban Decay palette and with the shade Punk. I'm going to also apply that to my bottom lash line. Now going back in the Jaclyn Hill palette and just taking a tiny bit of that black shade. I'm going to go in with my pencil brush. And with the tiniest amount, I am going to apply this onto my bottom lash line as well. But I'm just going to make sure this black shade is very close to my lash line. Now I'm going to apply bottom mascara to my bottom lashes. Taking my Kiss lashes, and this is the Fox Mink collection, and this is in the style Little Black Dress. So this is how they look, and the hairs are really soft. I'm just going to cut these off camera, apply some glue, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I apply them onto my eyes. Okay guys, so I did apply one lash off camera, but this is what the lashes look like. Now as you can see, they look really natural and cute. So now I let the glue dry for a little, and I'm just going to apply these on. I'm going to go back in my Born to Run palette, and I'm taking the shade Stranded. And I'm just going to apply this on my brow bone. It's a really pretty like gold shimmery shade. It's like a champagne gold. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be applying the NYX Glitter Primer. And then I'm going in with this gold glitter. And this is by Fluttered by Row. I'm just taking a little on like a tiny pencil brush. Just taking a little bit of the adhesive. Applying it right here. I'm taking the same brush and applying the glitter. So since my eyes are matte and then I have this really pretty pop of color, I want to do a more glossy lip rather than a matte lip, which is like my go-to usually. So before my camera died, I was saying I got a pack of these on Instagram, and these are QiBest persistent lip liners. And what shade is this? I have no idea what shade this is, but it's just like a really pretty nude shade. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal lipstick, and this is in the shade Toasted Almond. Just a really pretty nude shade. Now to top it all off, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Peanut Brittle. And I'm just gonna focus this on the center of my lips. Alright guys, so I'm so sorry my camera died, but this completes this orange smoky cut crease look. I have to say I'm obsessed. I just love the pop of liner and glitter. I just feel like that just made the whole look come together. So this is how it looks. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out.